In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a gold contract that has now fallen for a third day in the last 5, but still managed to remain higher by almost 0.9% in those 5 sessions. Gold made a lower high today, 23.3870 was that high, which was only up about 1/3%, 32 basis points, but also made a higher low at 23.1820, which was down about 0.56%. Gold finished the day down a little bit more than 1/3%, but 2 days in, gold is working on a small weekly bounce of a little more than 0.6%. We finished the day above 2,300 again, so still some embedded strength. According to the World Gold Council, central bank purchases were the strongest on record for the precious metal in the first quarter. According to the report, China was the leader, with the People's Bank of China increasing gold reserves, but also emerging market central banks are driving quite a bit of that buying. This is a longer term piece of information, certainly not anything that may have affected gold prices today, but something you should keep in mind as we look further along to see if that's a part of de-dollarization or just central banks in general just bolstering their gold reserves. Something that may have affected gold prices today, however, are interest rate expectations in the US, and markets have again priced in 2 rate cuts for 2024, although that seems a little bit tenable given the comments from Minneapolis Fed President Neel Kashkari today, who said that you may see rates higher for longer because of the struggles with inflation. Now, again, these 2 rate cuts is a positive for gold, but Neel Kashkari may have thrown a little water on that. So despite today's small dip, at least it seems unconvincing due to the low preliminary volume that this dip is really a change in trend to the downside.